Microsoft Fabric, Power BI. There are two demo classes, first demo and second demo. And today is the first demo. And tomorrow is the second demo. In today's demo, first 20 minutes introduction I'll give you. Next 40 minutes. This is the information I'm covering, which is very important and mandatory before you start up with Power BI. Before you start your Power BI better learning, this content you are supposed to know. It should be a very quick start. Very rarely you get this kind of content from the trainers. Maximum trainers will explain basic content. That too, they will type in notepad and different things and explain very high level. And nowadays in the current market, 90% trainers are non-working trainers and they don't have good knowledge in the business intelligence level. 90% trainers. And I have seen a couple of trainers whose content is completely irrelevant for the current market. It will attract you, but completely irrelevant for you. But I will make you meaningful, complete business intelligence history, Power BI need, what is the existence of Power BI, what type of market we have in Power BI, everything I will explain in the next 40 minutes. And if you want to get today's video and document, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. Offline people, before you leave, provide your details in the description. Right. Tomorrow, I will give a recap of this for 10 minutes and then we go for 40 minutes practical. You can ask me, sir, can you show me one complex example or a dashboard preparation, the demo? Regular classes, we discuss the same only. But demo level, the basic important fundamental I will cover. In the regular class level, I go with the regular part. So we have a very systematic learning. And consider today is the first class and tomorrow is the second class and next remaining classes. But tomorrow anyway, we will see one practical, the practical you need to implement. That first 20 minutes introduction part. My name is Vinay and this is my contact number. And this is the call timing. You can call me on these timings. And I'm working as a senior lead consultant. Training type basics to advanced. Basics to advanced. Duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily training for 1 hour. For me, 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. 2 to 3 hours practice for you. If I take 2 hours, it is 4 to 6 hours. It's not that much simple. What you find in the YouTube level and other areas. Classes are really depth classes. And whatever I take for 1 hour, it will take 2 to 3 hours per day for practice. Though you're a business intelligence professional and you're working in an IT company, it does not matter. It will take this time. You may understand quickly if you have experience. But tool is new for you, so it will take time for you, time to get hands-on. Weekly, Monday to Friday, compulsory classes, and Saturday, mostly we'll have live practice session. On the respective week, whatever I explain, Saturday we'll have live practice for those interested people. Here you will get more knowledge. But Monday to Saturdays, you don't have classes. Class mode, online, offline, both available. And for your better understanding, daily videos and daily materials I will provide you for 1.5 years. Well, with 1.5 years access. Communication, WhatsApp. Materials theory I will provide you. Materials practical also will provide you. FAQs and mock interviews. Both I will cover. And MSBA Tabular Cube classes I will cover for 1 hour. SQL sessions, 4 hours I will cover. SQL session, 4 hours. Sir, is it sufficient? Once again, I'm addressing this. And this is a separate database, Tabular Cube database. I'm covering for 1 hour. It's a database. So what is Tabular Cube? I will explain later, but it is market demanded component. So I'm giving 1 hour practice. In SQL sessions, 4 hours, compulsory. SQL complete understanding compulsory, but I will give 4 hours because to learn SQL, it will take 30 to 40 hours time. If I take 30 to 40 hours, even 20 hours, your Power BI subject will reduce. So what I recommend you is learn SQL separately wherever you want to learn. Even we offer SQL, you can join in our institute. But my 4 hours are complete meaningful sessions which are suitable for Power BI integrity. So Power BI integration. And I will give you 9 topics which are important for your interviews and real-time working. Conclusion, SQL learn complete wherever you want to learn, but prioritize 9 topics. Okay. And what are the 9 topics? I'll give you the checklist today. You can learn only those. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies also will cover. Our sessions more into practical. So case studies more and 2 near real-time projects. And these are the available batches. So the current running batches. And this is a slot free now. I'm taking the class for this slot. 7 to 8 AM slot. And training objective. This course is designed in this institute mainly for real-time people to work happily in the companies. And interview supportive. If you want to face interviews, yes, that knowledge guidance you will get. And PL 300 certification, 70 to 80% coverage. If anyone preparing PL 300 examination, 70 to 80% covered. In case you want to generate your own reports, yes, possible. Your own reports also you can generate. You're a senior resource, but you don't require for job trials and all, but you want to generate effective reports. Yes, you can generate. This is the objective of the course. And any graduate eligible, nowadays no restriction for the qualification, any graduate eligible to learn. And it is a fully graphical user interface component, but low code available. And the low code language is a DAX language, data analysis expression language. Data analysis expression language, there's a language available if you want to perform totals. And totals and standard deviations. Or some business calculations. This language we use, non-programming language, no programming. However, Excel formulas you find, the same way you find the formulas here, we use it. But these functions are very simple when compared to Excel. People say Excel functions are simple. Compared to that, it is simple. So if you want to implement your company business logics, compulsory, one simple language required, that language DAX available. But non-coding. So non-coding, or you can say low coding. You can use Power BI in these areas in the current IT industry. I'm talking about IT industry level. Power BI is suitable as a technical resource. These two come under technical. Technical roles. Report developer, business intelligence developer. You want to work as a report designer, report building resource, then go for it. Or you want to try as a techno-functional resource, technical knowledge, functional knowledge, data analyst, business analyst. And coming to data scientist people expecting Power BI, Python, ML, etc. So you can learn Power BI for this purpose also. So these are the different areas where you use Power BI. So many areas, especially in the current market. So technical resource, techno-functional resource, scientist resource, different resources you can try. Any questions in this area, online, offline people, kindly ask your questions quickly before I go to the next part. Online people, you can take your mic and ask your question.
Hi, Vinay. Navdeep here.
Yes, Navdeep.
Yeah, yes, report developer is an only functional one, or it
Report,
need technical also?
report developer is technical.
Okay.
Report developer is technical. So online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room, so that you will get demo.
Recording in progress.
Demo
Hello,
videos
Vinay.
and yes, please. Yes, please.
Myself, I'm Meena. I just wanted to know how you will provide for online students the material.
Yeah, I will show you, madam.
I did not get you, sorry.
No, I will explain you.
Yeah, okay.
And coming to next 2 months, it's a 2 months duration course. In the next 2 months, you will learn all this real-time stuff, near real-time stuff, especially real-time environment. When you join in a project, you will find data warehousing components, modeling components, and life cycle methodology. This is called software development life cycle methodology. That life cycle methodology and a versioning component, different components you find. So I will give you understanding about this. And 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies also I will cover. And database knowledge 3 to 4 hours I will give you. As I said, learn whole course and prioritize 9 topics for interview and working perspective. And tabular cube nowadays I'm giving 1 hour due to time constraint. Job resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews mandatory I will conduct. And Power BI having cloud, Power BI having on premises. Both the components I'm going to cover. Power Apps and Power Automate, 4-hour training I will provide. Power Apps and Power Automate. So this is a subject I'm covering for the next 2 months. Very detailed subject, suitable for the people who want to try for interviews, work in the companies. Okay, right. But detailed content I will show you, don't worry. And institute provide good theory, practical material. Training is fully practical oriented. You'll be having good interaction with me during the class and after the class. FAQs anyway discuss frequent last questions, and I will provide you FAQs and more resumes. Daily live class video you will get, and 1.5 years access. Resume preparation I will help you. WhatsApp group created for your technical questions, concerns, etc. So Power BI, a report developer. Power BI senior roles. So this is okay. This is okay. Now, coming to the job trial. Sir, I'm having 10 years IT experience. I want to try in Power BI. Whatever experience you have, but this training will give you knowledge below 5 years only. More than 5 years in Power BI, you cannot claim. And you must try as a Power BI developer in this combination. This is a language inside Power BI, I told you. This is a database language. 95% opportunities on this. As a technical resource, these are all technical roles. In case you want to try as a technical resource, these roles available in the market. Developer role, Power BI support role, Power BI administrative role, and these 2 available in the market, remaining 5% with respect to Power BI. Combinations you want to try, yeah, depends. Power BI plus MSB, Power BI plus Tableau or ClickView, Power BI plus Azure, Power BI plus Synapse. So interested people going for the combinations also. And as I said, more than 10 years, 15 years if you have, and you want to claim more experience in the business intelligence, learn the combination. But you are just having 3 years or 4 years gap, or you want to learn only Power BI and SQL sufficient. Got clarity? Now, more than 5 I want to try, sir, in the market. Only in Power BI. Then Power BI modeling role, designer role, specialist role, architect role available. More demand now. And more packages companies are offering. Even they're ready to give for a 10 years candidate 30 plus package, 30 lakhs plus package for these positions. So if you're looking for long-lasting career, yes, these are the opportunities available. But minimum experience, if you want to try, 8 years. 5 plus possible, but few, minimum 8 in these roles. But this training is not suitable because training is suitable technically to develop, but designing, modeling, these will come along with your experience. When you work in a project, 1 or 2 projects end to end, then only you get this knowledge. Otherwise, you will not get. Got clarity? Right. Sir. So technically what you can try, I clearly explained. Now coming to institution deliverable, what we provide, how we provide, and does your institution having market or not?
To explain the SQL and Azure. Hello.
Pardon?
Are you explain the fully SQL or only just what in real project that only explain?
I'm not clear with your question.
SQL, explain the SQL also, no?
Yeah, I will explain SQL for 4 hours.
In only what purpose that only explain or fully details?
No, not possible, sir. If you want to learn suitable to Power BI, 20 hours SQL you need to learn. I'll give you in detail Power BI. I recommend you to learn SQL whole course in our institute or outside.
Azure
not-
also. Azure.
Azure is not included here, but Azure understanding I will give you for 1 hour, but not course. See, I don't want to make jack you in all. I want to make you master or perfect in one subject. So Power BI end-to-end in detail subject you will get in this institute. So there are many institutions, Azure 10 hours, SQL 10 hours, Power BI 15 hours, 20 hours. But I don't want to do like that. With 10 hours, you are able to work in the companies, then everyone will learn 10 hours only. 1 day training, 2 days training, they will take and join in the companies. It will not happen. Due to commercial reasons, people may learn or people may take the classes, but it does not work out. Right, sir. Now I will go to morning 7 o'clock April batch. This is the previous batch of yours. As it is completed, I started this batch. So this is a way you will get a drive. Everyone, online, offline people, whether you come to the class or not, no matter, everyday video available in the folder, Google Drive folder. First demo, second demo, demo overview, Power BI components, real-time projects opportunities, Power BI cloud practice, case study 1, case study 2, real-time concepts, so more case studies. If you see this. And then subject. So always I take case studies, projects first, and then subject. See project 1, project 2, 2 projects I covered. Yesterday was the last session. I covered a project for those people with documents. Okay. So this is a way systematic learning you will find with the videos and materials. Videos available, materials available in the same folder. Sir, what exactly you are covering? This is a checklist. This checklist I will provide you. Even today you will receive this. This is all topics area. In this all topics area, you find one by one what I'm covering. So for a 7 AM batch people, all completed. If it is completed, I say yes. So this is related to case studies and projects. First, I will take this part and then I go to subject. Subject in detail. Why, sir? You will get interest. And if in case people want to try for interviews, they can try for interviews. If they are looking for company internal job change, happily they can go with this knowledge. And the people who are looking forward for fast track training, yes, take the first 1 month classes, those are sufficient. Next is the subject only, one by one component. And coming to Power BI service session. This session you want to learn in detail? Yes. Go to service, what I'm covering in the service. Service level topics. Cloud service. For example, Power Query, what I'm covering. Go to Power Query and you will see Power Query level what I'm covering. This is all topics area. This is respect to component area. But learning order, in case course completed and you want to learn properly, what is the order you need to follow? This is a learning order you need to follow. Environment knowledge, project awareness, Power BI subject, database knowledge, interview oriented. The spoon feeding way, everything you will get in this area. So will I get all materials? Yes, all materials you will get. The practice files. Yeah, this is a lab backup file. Practice files, practice databases. We work on Cube database. We work on relational database like Oracle SQL Server, and we work on files and cloud sources. So this is the area, all the lab setup available. Whatever you require, complete lab setup available. Very systematic training. And everything in a spoon feeding way will provide you. What all you need to do is regular attendance, regular practice. That's it. And communication. Every day, once the session is finished, you will get a message. For example, take 7 p.m. batch. 7 p.m. batch. So yesterday I completed one session. Power BI service homework basic. I given a homework also. People will get message also. Maybe I forgot to drop yesterday. Morning 10 o'clock. So you'll get a message like this. Student video plays so and so time. Like this. Everyday video. Students can interact. A proper communication. If you go through it, you can come to know what exactly I covered. Even you are absent also, you can find out where exactly we are in. Next. Say a proper folder. The folder having the link and the drive link, everything. And next one. You can see how. People ask. Yes, sir, you can. See guys, this girl recently, 23rd. Sir, I would like to share you the news that I got job in Power BI developer, which is contract for 3 months. Thank you so much for your classes, which is already really good and covers everything. Really appreciate it. Students feedback once they get job. And most of the, when I'm going for 9 o'clock batch, which was completed recently, you can see the feedback also from the students. 9 o'clock. It's going on actually recently. Recent complete one is this. So I'll give the materials, whatever you need, certification material, everything. At the end, I will give you again the credentials to practice, Power BI credentials to practice, resumes, WhatsApp level and normally. I will inform with the proper message. Your course is completed. See, this is our students. Thank you so much, Vinay sir. Thank you so much. Please share it down. Thank you, sir, for your amazing lectures and feedbacks. I appreciate your help. This is genuine feedback from the students. Will not ask anyone. If they like it, they will provide. And coming to students and opportunities, even we get opportunities from different organizations. They approach us. So yesterday we got a recruitment. It's not loading. One company recruitment we got yesterday. So he is a person recently he got jobs. So Power BI and SQL he got of 14 lakhs recently. And they are simply expecting Power BI and SQL only given 14 lakhs. Thanks all your cooperation, sir. I got 3 more offers, HCL, Capgemini, and so one more company contract to Hyderabad. But I need to join on Monday. I help students in their doubts, queries, suggestions, guidance. You can see the chart and all. So I'm coming to Hyderabad tomorrow. He learned online and he came to Hyderabad and stayed for 1 week to get clarity on the subject. See, resume also I cut it multiple times. So I modified the resume. Could you please? It's not opening. Again, he modified. This is sufficient, guys. So from my side, what are the support I can give you? I'll give you. Even students chase me for their doubts and all. So latest resume prepared. Please check and confirm. I said I will update. I'm not in the town and update you tomorrow. So he's going to meet me today for the resume. So this kind of help I will provide you guys. Clear? So from the institution side, whatever we can give, I'll give in a systematic way and proper way. Now I'm done with the basic understanding, basic introduction and what we provide. Now, if you want to ask anything from this, yes, ask. Next 2 months, I'm open for your questions. Online people.
Sir, is Raghav. I have a doubt. So you said something about Power Automate. So what is a Power Automate and how much
I will
time?
tell you, sir. I will tell you what is Power Automate. I'll give you a single line one. Don't worry. Next. Power Automate, I will explain it, sir. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Sir, good morning. I have one question.
Yes, please.
Yeah, will you provide the VI service? Means how we can do? Do you provide the cloud access?
Yes, I will take 10-hour classes for the cloud and I will provide you the cloud credentials for 2 years.
Okay, and for the report server means on-prem
On-prem also class I will take.
software.
Yes, on-premises software also I will tell you. So I'll give you and let you know where exactly the software available, how to download it and how to use it also.
Okay. Okay, so in both ways means on premises and as well as cloud.
Yes, sir. I mentioned here, sir. Cloud practice I will give you. For a cloud account I will give you. On-premises practice, on-premises account I will give you. The on-premises
Okay.
no account actually, but how to download free version, how to use it, I will tell you.
Okay.
This is okay. Anything else? Quickly ask me.
Hi, Vinay.
Yes, madam.
I'm choosing the role of a data analyst, Vinay.
Okay.
This Power BI will be enough, or what should I learn for the data analyst role?
For data
Or is there
analyst
any-
role, Power BI helpful. And the second one, some companies asking additional account to the situation we need to learn. But technically, data and Power BI is sufficient.
Then what about the MSBI? Should I need to learn the Power BI or
Not
MSBI?
required. Not required. madam.
Okay.
Okay.
The
In
only
case-
the learning the Power BI will be enough for the data analyst
Sufficient.
role.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
And guys, in case you want to talk to me, your career or any more guidance required, don't utilize this demo space. Demo space make it meaningful. Call me personally on my number. I'll address your questions clearly. Because the time is not sufficient to discuss more. Call me on this number. Please note down. I'm giving in the chat room. To offline people, you can collect my number from the reception. The next part I will explain for 40 minutes, half an hour. Kindly focus. Interesting part. Don't feel panic if you're new to IT. It is your responsibility to learn all this stuff. But simple thing only I'm explaining. So the next 30 minutes I'm explaining this. So this is the understanding next 30 minutes. Interesting? Kindly focus. Data to fabric you need to learn. Because Power BI now part of Fabric. So you need to learn. Power BI is not standalone now. Fabric Power BI. Then why Fabric Power BI? The history you need to know. Data. Anything you are able to store is called data in IT industry. And knowingly or unknowingly, we are all working with all the available types. There are 3 types available. First one, structured data. Second one, semi-structured data. Third one, unstructured data. Table, Excel, these all contain column by column data, structured. And if you look at this, 1, 16, BSc, something available. And even metadata like student ID, name, age, etc. available. This is called semi-structured. So XML file, it's a separate kind of file, and JSON also separate kind of file. These kind of files store semi-structured data. So structure plus data. And your WhatsApp, your Twitter, your Gmail, we don't follow any content order, any structure. That is unstructured. So we are having 3 types of data in the market. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are using. Second, this data, companies level, we keep as a technical resource in 2 places. One is file formatted data, second database formatted data. Our resume in file format, your simple business transactions, file format, file. But more data available, more management is needed, then we go to database. Only 2 storages, there are no other storages. Now what about storage areas? First one, on-premise. This data you can keep in on-premises, within your company, within your server, within your device level. Second, cloud level, somebody else storage. So today you will receive video in Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud. OneDrive is a cloud. Even take your mobile phone. Mobile phone level, your pictures, your contacts, initially in your device. Later you take backup to Samsung Cloud, iCloud, Google Cloud, etc. This is a cloud environment and this is on-premises. So don't tell me like, sir, I don't know what is on-premises. With your device storage, unknowingly you're using it. Cloud, you're taking backup into cloud, somebody else's storage. These 3 types. So 3 types of data, 2 types of format, and 2 types of storage. And this is with respect to Power BI is called as any type, any format, and any storage. And this is an initial slogan, attracted everyone. If you look at 4 years back, Power BI, maximum places you find any type of data it can handle, any storage it can handle, any formatted data it can handle. This is the first initial slogan which brought leadership to Power BI. People identified Power BI with this only. Questions on this place? So in a regular class, I'll explain you file data, database data, on-premises data, cloud data, XML data, JSON data, table data, Excel data, and PDF data. We will work Word data and email. These are all we will work in the regular class.
Sir, can you explain once again on on-premise?
On-premises means within your device storage, your mobile pictures, contact numbers in your mobile initially, that is on-premises. Now your laptop data, that is on-premises. And you will take backup to Google or OneDrive somewhere, that is a cloud.
Okay.
Right. Now coming to IT applications. You had many applications. You selected one application and you're returning now. There are many IT applications. But majorly, IT applications for 2 purposes. Major purposes I'm explaining, different purposes, but majorly 2. First one, business running. Second one, business analysis. Business running. You're running a business. First, you look forward to have a proper application which helps in your business. You will purchase one device, you will purchase one website, you purchase one app, something to run your business. Am I right or wrong? And maximum these applications will give you the business running application, transaction success, transaction failed status. You book a movie ticket. What is the result at the end? You booked a train ticket. What is the result at the end? Are you sent money through Paytm, PhonePe, ZPay, Google Pay? What is the result at the end? Transaction successful, and this is a transaction ID. So these kind of applications are called transactional applications. So in our layman terminology, business running, technically OLTP, online transaction processing. Don't feel confused because those applications provide transactional process. So we call it as transactional process application. irctc.co.in in India, bookmyshow.com in India, and the Google Pay, PhonePe, these are all OLTP applications. Unknowingly, you're working on it. So this operation done by general public in the website, desktop, mobile. You want to do some bank transaction, you can use web, you can use your you can use company desktops, or you can use your mobile at tab. You will get a form, sender, receiver, and then you click submit. The information will be stored, and you're booking a train ticket, passengers, starting station, ending station, all you mentioned. So that the booking happens, and the booking level, you will find only transaction success, transaction failed information. So this is called transactional storage. What do you call it? Transaction. And this complete process comes under transactional process, OLTP. So you are not involving practically, but as a end user, you are using OLTP applications. In our mobile, we are having at least 5 to 10 applications nowadays, transactional applications. Okay, this data people want to analyze, the management people. Not keep on running the business. We require proper analysis so that we can take appropriate decisions to grow. As part of growth of the organization, effective decisions, better insights always needed. How is it possible? And the data, whatever you provide you like this. Example, train tickets, IRCTC data. At the end of the day, end of the week, end of the month, IRCTC team want to have decisions like this. The trains which are having highest booking of seats, the regions having highest demand, Tatkal versus normal tickets, etc. And this data is called decision-making data. Some people say analytical data. Some people say business intelligence data. Decision-making or analytical or business intelligence data. And the process what we follow is called business intelligence process to convert this. So transactional data, business intelligence process, and business intelligence data. And this data in the form of report or dashboard. And this data displayed in the form of web, desktop, mobile. Able to understand? So your transactional data, BA process, and BA data converted and presented through report or dashboard. And your objective is this. Remember everyone, you will get this kind of data or any data. I said about transactional, but I'm talking about any data. BA process you will implement first step. And BA data you generate, the data presented through report or dashboard. This is the 1, 2, 3. So take Power BI or any BI, any business intelligence application. The role is implementing BI process, generating reports or dashboards, which will display this kind of information. Okay. Now I want to explain a little more. What is BA process? What is report and dashboard? Keep your focus here. Don't use your mobiles, online, offline people. You will get complete clarity on the subject. What is BA? Business intelligence. Intelligence data to the business. Decision-making data to the business. Analysis of the business. That is business intelligence. So what we do? Input. Any data, any type of data, anywhere data, it will take. Output, report or dashboard generated. That's why people call business intelligence is a process of converting your normal data into decision-making data, presenting through visuals and insights. So technical definition, process of converting your normal data into decision-making data, presenting through visuals and insights. So here data is the input, report or dashboard is output. And this is one example of the report. And this is one example of the dashboard. And report level, detailed data available, report. Report for an individual operation. So detailed data available, individual operation. Example, savings account withdraw. Is a report. Savings account deposit is a report. But at dashboard level will present high level data presentation. Set of reports information available. Example, savings account subject area data. And in this area, the deposit data, withdraw data, all data available. Deposit, withdraw. Savings account. Got the difference between report and dashboard? So you guys will generate in the real time, either individual operation presentation or set of operations presentation. But it's not that much easy converting data into output. We have a process. The process I will explain and the history I will explain. Stay tuned. See, look at the flow. The arrow, how it is flowing. So input data, OLTP, ETL, warehouse, cube, reporting, output. Able to see? So here, you're having the general public, different platforms, data, business data, transactional data. And management team want to analyze. Same platforms you can provide the output. The data is called BA data, business intelligence data, and in the form of report and dashboard. But if you want to construct report or dashboard, this is a process we need to implement in any company, any tool. BA standard process, even in 9 days. You want to construct a house. How do you construct? Quickly. How do you construct a house? First, foundation, pillars, roof, side wall, one by one you will construct. There's no process of direct constructing house. Here also, if you have a business data, Assume the business data in the file level or database level. Business data or non-business, no problem. We need first area ETL. Fixed process. Daily I use the same words. You feel bored after 3 days. I'm sure about it. First day you feel like what is ETL, what is semantic. But daily I use the same. Every report follows the same process. Every report, you will create at least 40, 50 reports. So you feel bored after 2 days. But today you feel like, what is this? Do I need to continue in IT or not? Don't feel yes, it's compulsory process. Technical component, technical words I'm explaining. Listening to it 2 times or practicing 1 or 2 times will give you more knowledge. And this is the first process. And we call it as ETL, extract, transform, load. The data retrieved, if it is not in proper shape provided, and data loaded into huge storage area. Data warehouse indicate huge storage area. And this is called as data gathering layer. And this is called as data storage layer. In this area, specific data storage. Specific data, aggregate, analytical operations in this area. So your calculations, your required data, we'll take here. Example, you have banking data, complete data available here. I need savings account analysis. So savings account only we can take. And we can add savings account calculations here. Only savings account calculations. And that's the reason we call this as semantic area. Which area? Semantic area. So data gathering is the first area. Data storage is the second layer. And here years and years data we will keep. Historical data we will keep in this area. Let us specific storage area. Finally, presentation area. This is data presentation. So these 4 areas come into the picture as part of the BI process, business intelligence process. Got clarity? 90s given this process. Only MNC is able to use this process because one tool required here. Out of this, there are many available, but one tool required here, one storage required, one tool required, one tool required. So multiple tools, multiple people, multiple resources. Only MNCs were able to afford. Small, medium people scared to use it. So one company taken decision. Why don't we provide everything in a single area? That is Microsoft, and the component is MSBA 2005. In 2005, after 15 years, we got a solution that is a suite. Some people say suite, some people say stack, some people say pack. And this stack or pack having 3. This is tool 1 SSIS, tool 2 SSAS, tool 3 SSRS, tool 1 in this area, tool 2 in this area, tool 3 in this area. 3 tools in a single suite available to perform end-to-end. And Microsoft is a leader from 2008. Because of this, 5 MSBA released Microsoft BA. First BA from Microsoft and first end-to-end BA from Microsoft. But initially people preferred these individual components only than this because it was not powerful. But next release is 2008 after 2005. But 2008 onwards, Microsoft leader in the market. Leader in analytics and BA. You can ask me a quick question. Sir, if Microsoft is a leader, then what's the need of developing Azure BA and Power BA? These 3 are Microsoft BAs. Interview question. Why Power BA when MSBA available from Microsoft? MSBA, Power BA, both from Microsoft company. Even Azure BA from Microsoft company. Okay, keep Azure aside. When MSBA available, the first BA, and it's a leader in the market, why Power BA? In those features. In case Apple want to give advanced feature, they're giving a new version, not a new phone, right? Apple 14, Apple 15. They can give MSB 2012 to 2024, 2025. Why Power BI? That you need to learn, guys. And as a technical resource, I always ask this question first in the interview. Why separate BA component from a company? I'll give you the answer, concentrate. So MSBA 2005 released, and these are the versions. 5, 8, 8R to 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. Every 2 to 3 years, there's a new version. If you see this, there is a gap of 2 to 3 years. Am I right? Every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version. 2008 onwards, it's a market leader. That I will prove it first, and then I will go. You need to feel confident that you are going to learn a wonderful component. It will give you a great career. Maybe your learning take time, opportunity you may get late, but long-lasting component. So Microsoft named a leader in the 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BA platform. 24 not yet given. We are thrilled to announce that 16th consecutive year Microsoft is a leader. 16th consecutive year. For the last 16 years, leader. You can see this. Microsoft is a leader. Tableau, Salesforce, ClickView. These are also other competitors. Remaining are just challengers. Genuine statistic. Even if you go to Forrester Wave, one company. This is a Gartner company, now Forrester Wave company. This company is a leader in the augmented BA. Microsoft recognizes augmented BA. And the actual market started for Power BI, according to Zoometrics, 2021. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. In 2021, the market share is 36%, not a normal number. If you look at this, 100 projects in Power BI, 100 projects in the BI, 21. 36% in Power BI, and 2022, 42%. Now it's increased. So many people using Power BI as a BI tool. These are not my statistics, and this is not my website. If somebody says Power BI not having market or so and so, don't listen to their words. Always look at the statistics and learn. Maybe little competition. It may take little more time, but give you a wonderful career for long. Fine? Right, sir. Now, you can ask me, sir, if MSB brought leadership, why Power BI? This is a concept question. So this is the answer. Look at the heading. Why Power BI was created when MSB available? MSB 2005 released, but the market features are before 2004 market features. Before 2004 market features. And before 2004, cloud is very less in the market. Cloud is very less. Before 2004, cloud is less, or you can say cloud given in 2010, sorry, 2006. And mobile and tab friendly apps 2010 onwards. And unstructured data more and more available, like Facebook and many social media applications from 2004 available. So this is missing in Power BI level, sorry, MSB level. unstructured data support, cloud concept, mobile and tab friendly operations, all missing. So Microsoft decided, why don't we give the modern data and modern cutting edge technology support? That is Power BI. So MSBI level on premises is more cloudless and multiple components required. And no mobile and not tab friendly. Limited sources can only work. And you cannot keep our MSBI report in other areas. For example, MSBI report you want to show in Facebook, not possible. An average coding compulsory required in MSBI. Visuals also very less in MSBI. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a change in the market. So there is a change in the tool. So to overcome this, Microsoft given one more component, Power BI, which is adding power to the existing BI. For the existing business intelligence, more power is added. What type of support? Cloud support and single applications. Look at this. MSBI level 3 tools required to perform end-to-end, but Power BI level single application sufficient. The end-to-end process it can do. All types of data it will provide support. Anywhere Power BI report you can keep, and Power BI is a low-code application. Many visuals available, and we have monthly updates. What type of updates? Monthly updates. Monthly update. As the market is continuously changing, Microsoft want to track the changes and keep in Power BI. That's the reason monthly updates given. The first BA tool forever for the last 10 years, which is having monthly updates is Power BI. So if people ask what is Power BI, you can tell them adding power to the existing BI, first one. Second one, it's a low code application with cloud and on-premises supporting. First point. Second point, self-service BI application, which will generate reports and dashboard from data. Sir, low code is okay, cloud and on-premises okay. What is self-service? Power BI objective is report and dashboard generation, but what is self-service? Look at this picture. So MSBI level, tool 1, tool 2, tool 3 available. Power BI level, single tool available. But it has multiple concepts. Concept 1, concept 2, concept 3. This concept works here. This concept works here. This concept works here. So single tool, multiple concepts. So we call it as a self-service BI. What is self-service? In a real world, we go to hotel and many places you find self-service. We go to the counter, take the ticket, go to the respective kitchen area, we bring the plate, we eat and throw everything. We only do it. That is self-service. So Power BI also get the data, transform the data, model the data, and generate the visual. So generate visuals and present insights. That's the reason we call it a self-service. But I'll give more understanding about this tomorrow. So I'm concluding. Power BI is adding power to existing BI. And Power BI is a low-code application, cloud and on-premises supportive application, self-service BI application to generate reports and dashboard from data. Announced in 2013 July, and we have monthly updates from July 2013. For clarity. And last one, business intelligence level. Old business intelligence.
ఇందులో కూడా టార్గెట్ చేయబోయారు ఉన్న 10 మందిలోనే పోయి
So business intelligence level, input is data, output is report or dashboard. And legacy business intelligence process, old, multiple tool, multiple setups, resources, very costly, complex. Middle age, MSBA 2005, 5 onwards available. MSB is one component, middle age BA. So Microsoft joined from middle age. And now we have Power BA and the modernized BA, because single tool will perform end-to-end process. So now you are going to start Power BA, which is a modern BA. I explained today till this part only. And this is pending. I will explain tomorrow, followed by a practice. Is that fine with you? Yes? Yes. So what is data? What is BA application, IT application, Power BA, and Power BA release year and updates. And this I will explain tomorrow. Followed by practice.
Hello.
1 second, madam. 1 second. Guys who all joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo video and demo document, first one. And also you want to talk to me, these are the timings and my contact number, reach out to me for career guidance, doubts or clarifications. I'm stopping for now, and tomorrow we'll continue with the second demo. And the people who joined late, kindly look into the video for the number of days and other details. Please look into. It's a boring part for other people if you explain the same thing again and again.